Fine. So in this sum, you've been given the equation of line as y is equal to mx plus c, and you have to write this in the vector form r is equal to a plus lambda b. So you have to write this vectors a and b in terms of m or c. Now let's try to understand what is the meaning of r is equal to a plus lambda b. In r is equal to a plus lambda b, this a that we have is any point on the line, and that b that we have is the direction vector. So that means we know this is the y-intercept, so that means the point would be 0, c. This point is 0, c. At the same time, your slope is change in y upon change in x. So your direction vector is basically, always change in y upon change in x upon change in y. Your direction vector, dv is your direction vector. So hence, so this will be 1 upon m, because so basically 1 upon m. So delta y is the change in delta y is your m and delta x is your 1. They're comparable because remember it's a ratio to the lowest term. So hence we get r is equal to a plus lambda b. So our point is 0, c, and the direction vector here is 1m. So hence we get your you get your value of a is 0, c, and b is equal to 1m. Find the determinant of m. That's trivial. You simply do AD minus BC. So 6 2s are 12 minus 4 3s are, so that's 0. So that's fine. This is very simple. Fine. Now this is important. The line y is equal to mx please is transformed to a new line using the matrix M. So your matrix M has been given to you, and it's transformed using that matrix. This matrix over there, which is here, is transformed using this matrix. So you are supposed to find out the equation of the resulting line. Does not depend on M or C. That's what we are supposed to do. Now, so what I start with the equation of the line. R is equal to 0 plus, I'm combining that. So lambda and C plus M lambda. Now to carry out any transformation, you multiply your matrix by your xy. You get the transformed equation x dash y dash. So x dash y dash is basically the new coordinates. So what you do is you multiply the rows by the columns. You do the matrix multiplication. Similarly, you multiply the row by the column. So you'll get your x dash. You'll get your y dash. Now if I see over here that c plus m lambda is repeating over here. So what I do is do c plus m lambda as the subject of formula in each of them and equate them. So therefore this is equal to this. We equate them. Equate this cross multiplying. You will find that your new equation is 2x dash minus 3y dash is equal to 0. This is the equation of the new line after the transformation, and it can be seen that it does not depend on any m or c. That's how you do this.